Hi everyone, welcome back. As most of you know, I use the Insta 360 quite a bit. The only thing I found with using the Insta 360 is the volume on this here when it's recording is very low. A lot of times there you've got to adjust the volume in your edit, and we even had bought from Insta 360 this little adapter here. It's very cheap. It was like $13 for the Insta 360, and we tried a number of lavalier mics plugged into it, and for some reason we still weren't getting much sound out of it. So anyways, we decided, we watched a lot of films on the Rode wireless system, so we thought we'd pick up the Rode wireless system and give it a try. We've never used anything like this before, so let's open her up and see what you get. We're gonna do a few things. We're gonna take a look at the Rode wireless mic that we just picked up, and we're gonna test it out on the Insta 360 and see how she sounds. Also, we brought along the Mini 2 and the iPad, and we're going to do a little bit of flying. It's probably about 8 miles per hour wind today, so she's a little bit breezy, a little bit chilly, so let's get started. Anyways, what you're going to get with the Rode wireless microphone set is this is the receiver here, and you get two one for each one, so you can charge them both at the same time. This little attachment here I actually purchased separate. This is an adapter for the Insta 360 so that you can actually plug a regular microphone or the wireless into the 360. And this little one's the actual transmitter, and you can see there's a little speaker on there, and on the bottom of this one here you can set your dB gain, and I think it only has 3 settings. Today I'll see if I can try all 3. If not, I may just go with the medium. We did test it on low, and we didn't get very much success with that. And we did test it on high. It seems to pick everything up, so we might try a couple of modes there. Anyways, so let's get started. Let's right now I do have the Insta 360 turned on, and I'm probably, I don't know, maybe 2 feet away from the Insta 360. We're just recording sound off the 360 right now without anything hooked up to it. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop that video, and I'm going to plug in the wireless microphone and see what we get. They do give you some wind muffs to go with the wireless microphone. There's 2 of those. I haven't really tested them out. I don't think I'm going to test them out today. It is a little bit windy, but I really want to see what the sound is like. So we'll just put that aside for now. Okay, so here we have, so we'll let's plug it in here. Okay, as you can see, we've hooked it up here. So let's pop that in there. Now we do have a different case on here for the Insta360 with some mounts on there. So let's see if we can get this into the mount. Okay, now the only thing on this mount is it is sticking out on the sides here. And one thing with the Insta360 is the stitch line is right through the middle. It's right through the middle area, so we'll have to watch how we film, because we will see some of that on either side. Anyways, we do have that hooked up. Okay, let's turn that on. Microphone. Okay, you can't see it very well, but it looks like it is recording. So we're gonna mount this on our jacket. Like I said, it is a little bit windy. Okay, let's lift this up and see if we can check the settings on this. Okay, the dB gain, it has 3 settings right now. I don't know if you can see that or not, but down in the left-hand corner, it's all the way up on 3. We're going to hit the dB gain right here. Okay, we hit that once, and it looks like it's on 1. Now we have it on 2, and I think we're going to record it on 2, and we'll see what the sound's going to be like. Okay, so we're just checking out the sound on the Insta360 and the wireless microphone. We're probably about 2 or 3 feet away. Okay, it looks like they have the park police down here. I'm not sure what they're doing. I hope I don't get a hard time for flying this. I actually plan to do. Okay, so now apparently the battery life on this wireless microphone is about 7 hours. I did do a little bit of testing before for, I don't know, maybe a half hour. Also, apparently you can go up to 70 meters away. I would say I'm right now probably about 50 feet away, and we're recording. I'm just going to keep talking. We'll see how she's picking up. I don't know if I'm still within camera view or not. Okay. Anyways, there's a few people around here. It's a little bit windy. So I think that's all we're going to do. And now I think we're going to set up the drone and maybe do a little bit of quick shots here. It is cold, it is windy. So let's see what we get today.